Sevim Tekeli is a prominent Turkish history of science professor. Early life and education. Sevim Tekeli was born in Izmir in 1924. She received primary education in different cities of Turkey, since her father Osman Nuri Tekeli was working as a governor in various provinces. She is a graduate of American Girls High School of Üsküdar. She obtained a Bachelor of Arts degree in philosophy at Ankara University. She was attracted to the history of science during her undergraduate studies under the influence of Aydın Sayeli. Academic career. Sevim Tekeli began her career as a research assistant of Professor Dr. Aydın Sayeli at the Department of Philosophy in Ankara University in 1952. Works. Sevim Tekeli's works mainly focus on the history of Ottoman astronomy, particularly on the works of the famous Turkish astronomer Taqi al-Din. When Professor Tekeli started her doctoral studies, it was very hard to find any scientific study and materials in Turkey concerning the history of Ottoman science. She determined to overcome such problems. Eventually, Tekeli overcame all these challenges and completed her doctoral thesis. The comparison of the observational instruments of Nasir al-Din al-Tusi, Tycho Brahe and Taqi al-Din, under the supervision of Aydın Sayeli in 1956. Her doctoral thesis, in which she made comparisons between Nasir al-Din al-Tusi, Tycho Brahe and Taqi al-Din in terms of observational instruments they had used, was later published with the same title. She also interested in the development of scientific endeavor in the 17th century Western Europe and also in comparing the developments in Russia at the time and in the Ottoman Empire in terms of scientific activities and achievements. She also examined the effects of the Ottoman Empire on Renaissance. She particularly analyzed the reasons behind the superiority and leadership of the Ottoman Empire in the Islamic world at the beginning of the 17th century. She continued her research on Taqi al-Din and published another book, The Brightest Stars of Construction of the Mechanical Clocks, that was based on her professorial thesis. In this book, she revealed that Taqi al-Din was one of the most important astronomers of the 16th century. She has also studies concerning the map of Piri Reis and Muhi al-Din. She was one of the earliest Turkish scholars uncovering the astronomy activities during the period of Ottomans. Some of her articles are given below. Al-Erdi's article on the quality of the observations. Araştırma A. The Observational Instruments of Istanbul Observatory. Proceedings of the International Symposium on the Observatories in Islam, pp. 33-43. The Map of America by Piri Reis. New Dictionary of Scientific Biography. Al-Kushandi, Abu Mahmud Ahmad ibn al-Khidr. Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography. Piri Reis, Muhi al-Din. Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography. Muhi al-Din al-Maghribi. Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography. Books. Modern Bilim and Dogasunda Byzantine etkisi. Is there any impact of Byzantine on the emergence of modern science? First edition. Ankara, Kalart Publishing. Japon Haritasini Sizen Turk Kazgali Mahmud ve Christoph Koloman Haritasina Diana Eski America Haritasini Sizen Turk Amir Ali Piri Reis equals the oldest map of Japan drawn by Turk Mahmud of Kashgar and the map of America by Piri Reis. Ankara, Ataturk Culture Merkezi. 16. İnsayüzü Yılda Osman Liladus Art ve Taqi Udanan Mechanics Art Constructs Yonuna Deren Parlik Yıldızla equals the clocks in Ottoman Empire in 16th century and Taqi al-Din's The Brightest Stars for the construction of the mechanical clocks. Second edition. Ankara, TC Culture Bakanlıcı. Tekeli, Sevim al. Bilim Tarihi Necirus equals An Introduction to the History of Science. Ankara, Nobel Publishing.